Get that baby out of here. That's Lola's chair. That's Lola's. That Lola's stroller? That's right. What are you doing? Be careful. What?
No.
You want to go in there? You want to go in there? Yep. Check her out. What happened to the baby? Ah, you gonna put her back in there? No, that's for Lola.